freaking inflation. This is $85 worth of stuff.
No shade to her, because she is showing you how to get some awesome freaking deals. However, all I see with my non-toxic lifestyle is all of the toxic ingredients that is inside all of those products inside of her cart. Laundry detergent being the #1 causing that has carcinogens in it. You wash your clothes with those that have carcinogens on it, and then your clothes sit on your skin all day. Your skin is your biggest organ. You kind of do the math there. So I'm going to show you how to make non-toxic laundry soap that's going to get your clothes clean. It's still going to smell good. It's going to last a long time because you only need a little bit, and it's non-toxic. It's not going to be harmful to you or your children's skin. Super simple. All you need is washing soda, borax, and Castile soap, and then you need a container to put it in. I will put the exact recipe on the screen, but then you can add essential oil for the smell good, and you have non-toxic laundry soap.